Alfalfa, with its vibrant green leaves and delicate stems, has been a companion to humanity for millennia. Its history is as deep as it is fascinating, and its presence on the tables of ancient empires and modern kitchens alike is a testament to its versatility and value. Today, I invite you to discover why alfalfa is much more than just a simple sprout. It is a true nutritional treasure, a health ally, and a culinary delight that can transform your everyday dishes. Let's begin our journey in the distant past, over 2,000 years ago, in the vast lands of Asia. There, alfalfa, scientifically known as Medicago sativa, grew wild before the Persian civilizations identified it as a valuable resource. The ancient Persians cultivated it not only as forage for their horses and livestock, but also as a nutritious food for human consumption. They quickly recognized its exceptional qualities and incorporated it into their daily lives, laying the foundation for a relationship that would endure through the centuries. As trade routes expanded, alfalfa traveled alongside merchants and explorers, crossing deserts and mountains until it reached Europe. There, it was embraced by the Greeks and Romans, who valued it for its ability to enrich soils and feed pack animals, which were crucial for the economy and daily life of the time. However, it wasn't until the arrival of Spanish colonizers in the Americas that alfalfa crossed the Atlantic. In the New World, it found fertile soils and ideal climates, quickly becoming a staple in agriculture and feeding both livestock and humans. Since then, alfalfa has been cultivated and cherished across all continents, and its legacy continues to grow. So, what makes alfalfa so special? The answer lies in its impressive nutritional profile. This plant is a true source of vitality, concentrating a wealth of essential vitamins and minerals in its leaves and sprouts. Among its most notable components are vitamins A, C, E, and K, which are crucial for the proper functioning of the immune system, skin health, and blood clotting. Additionally, it provides minerals such as calcium, vital for bone strength, magnesium, which promotes muscle relaxation and nervous balance, and iron, essential for preventing anemia and maintaining energy levels. Pero los beneficios de la alfalfa no terminan ahí. Gracias a su alto contenido de fibra, favorece el tránsito intestinal y mejora la digestión, ayudando a mantener un sistema digestivo sano y activo. Diversos estudios han demostrado que el consumo regular de alfalfa puede contribuir a reducir los niveles de colesterol LDL, el llamado colesterol malo, favoreciendo la salud cardiovascular. Esto se debe a la presencia de saponinas, compuestos naturales que ayudan a eliminar el exceso de colesterol del organismo. Alfalfa also stands out for its contribution of vitamin K and calcium, making it a perfect combination for strengthening bones and preventing diseases like osteoporosis. Its natural antioxidants, including vitamin E and various phytochemicals, protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, slowing down cellular aging and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, it has anti-inflammatory properties that can alleviate joint and muscle discomfort, making it an ideal choice for those seeking to care for their well-being naturally. Incorporating alfalfa into your daily diet is much easier than you might think. Its tender sprouts, with their mild flavor and crunchy texture, are perfect for adding freshness and nutrients to your salads. You can combine them with tomatoes, avocado, cucumber, and a squeeze of lemon for a light and delicious dish. If you prefer something heartier, toss them into your sandwiches and wraps. They'll add an extra crunch and vitality, elevating any snack to the next level. Smoothies and green juices also welcome alfalfa with open arms. Just add a handful of sprouts to your favorite mix of fruits and vegetables for a boost of nutrients and energy. Its mild flavor integrates seamlessly without overpowering the other ingredients. In warm cooking, alfalfa can be included in soups and stews, added at the end of cooking to preserve its texture and properties. Additionally, it serves as an excellent base for vegetarian and vegan recipes, providing volume and freshness to dishes like legume burgers, omelets, or stir-fries. Do you have a favorite recipe with alfalfa? We would love to hear it. Share your ideas and experiences with us. And don't forget that our dear friend Sonny Montero is a true alfalfa enthusiast. He incorporates it into many of his culinary creations, from simple dishes to gourmet proposals. We encourage you to try some of his suggestions and discover new ways to enjoy this wonderful food. If, after learning about all these benefits and possibilities, you're eager to savor alfalfa at its best, we invite you to visit Cantina 33 at 5 Campomanes Street, Madrid. There, every dish is a celebration of fresh, high-quality ingredients, with alfalfa holding a special place on the menu. Whether in salads, main courses, or as part of innovative recipes, you'll be able to experience all its flavor and benefits in a welcoming and vibrant atmosphere. Before we say goodbye, remember that taking care of your health and enjoying good food can go hand in hand. Alfalfa is a perfect example of how nature provides us with simple and delicious solutions to feel better every day. Encourage yourself to incorporate it into your diet, experiment with new recipes, and share your discoveries with us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this content a like if you found it useful and inspiring. This way, we can continue sharing more secrets, tips, and recipes for a healthy and flavorful life with you. We'll see you in the next culinary adventure. Until soon.